I was an engineering manager, right? And by the way, I don't have a corporate America sob story for you. I was successful. I climbed the ladder. At the end of my career, I was multi six-figure parking space, dock out, blah, 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 all that crap, right? I had made it. And then one day, everything I thought was right wasn't so right. I wasn't all that happy. I wasn't all that wealthy. And I sure as heck wasn't free. So, I escaped. But it didn't happen overnight. I had a series of wake-up calls. Let me give you an example. After 18 years of max funding my 401k, I found out it was never going to retire me. Oh, at least according to this thing called mathematics. But you think I was mad? Heck yeah, I was mad. But let me tell you what really pissed me off. What really pissed me off was when I found out that it wasn't supposed to retire me by design. And I wasn't supposed to find that out